Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Muhammad Wahiduzzaman, lecturer in English, Kajipura Siddiqia Fazul Madrasa, Kafur, Dhaka. My dear students, in my previous class I discussed about tense, its definition, and I also discussed the classification of tense, and I discussed the definition of present indefinite tense with its structure and examples. Today I am going to take class about present continuous tense. So let's get started. First of all, let's learn what is present continuous tense. The present continuous tense can be used to show that an action is happening or unfinished. The tense of verb is happening now or ongoing. So in these definitions we have learned that present continuous tense is a type of tense that in this tense an action is happening now or it is unfinished. That means it is ongoing, it is in progressive tense. Okay, so let me do clear it giving example. I am writing a letter. Notice this sentence very carefully. Here I have written I am writing a letter. So here write is an action. Okay, so this action is happening now. It is in a progressive mode. It is ongoing. Okay, so here we have found that I am writing a letter. It is a continuous mode, and that's why it is present continuous tense. So let's learn what is the structure of present continuous tense. Structure. If you want to make present continuous tense, we have to follow a structure so that we can make present continuous tense. Structure, first of all we need subject, then be verb. Here be verb is am, is, are. Okay, so then plus verb 1 plus ing. So ing is added with this verb 1, and last of all object. So this is the structure of present continuous tense. So subject plus be verb am, is, are plus verb 1 plus ing and plus object. So examples. He is reading various kinds of books. He is reading various kinds of books. So here read is an action and it is in continuous mode, it is in progressive mode, it is happening now, and this reading is unfinished. That's why it is present continuous tense. So according to the structure we see that here he is subject. So we have here subject he, then be verb is, then read is a verb 1 here, verb 1, and ing is added with this verb 1, ing. Okay, then various kinds of books, it works as subject. However, so here he is subject. So you may ask me a question that, sir, why is this used with this subject he? So it is very clear and it is very easy to identify that. You know that third person singular number, third persons. In my previous class I discussed with the third person how to recognize, how to identify third person. Except I, we and you, all the things in this world are third persons. If I say in Bengali way, I can say that আমি আমরা তুমি তোমরা ছাড়া পৃথিবীতে যারা third person তারা. So except I, we and you, all the things in this world are third persons, and if this third person is in the singular number, so is appropriate to this subject he, and that's why I have used is here. Okay, so he is. Then read according to the formula structure. Read here is verb, one and ing is added with this read and it becomes reading, and various kinds of books it works as object. However, so he is reading various kinds of books, it is present continuous tense. Number 2, Walid is playing football now. Here subject Walid and he is doing an action and the action is playing. So Walid is playing football now. It is present continuous tense. As we have subject, be verb is, then verb 1 is added with ing, then football and object. Okay, so Walid is playing football. It is present continuous tense. I'm going to write down more examples for a better understanding. So Shumon is going to the library. Shumon is going to the library. Shumon is going to the library. So according to the rules or structures, I have applied this sentence. So here Shumon is subject, is be verb and going, go is the main verb, base form, verb 1 and ing is added with this main verb or base word, and to the library here works at the okay, so phrases. However, so Shumon is going to the library, it is present continuous tense. I am drinking tea. I am drinking tea. I am drinking tea. Here am is appropriate to the subject I am drinking tea. It's present continuous tense because the action is happening now. It is unfinished. Number 5, they are playing cricket. They are playing cricket. They are playing cricket. Here, notice this sentence very carefully. I mentioned third person and there is a function of singular number and plural number. Though they is third person, but it is in the plural form. It is plural number. That's why R is appropriate here. So they are playing cricket. It's present continuous tense. My mother is cooking food. My mother is cooking food. My mother is cooking food. It's present continuous tense. I am talking to you now. I am talking to you now. It's present continuous tense. We are going to the mosque. We're going to the mosque. It's also present continuous tense. So the examples, where is the examples of present continuous tense? So in my class, today's class, I discussed with the definition of present continuous tense structures with examples. So that's all for the time being. In my next class, all of you are welcome to watch my next class, and in that class I will discuss with another tense. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Okay, thank you very much for watching my class.